I stepped out of the bath, wrapping myself in the well-used towel. It's a serene nighttime ritual. Changing into night clothes. Wiping the bowl while the warmth still lingers. A quiet moment at the end of a peaceful meal.
Stepping out into the cool night air, he often found clarity amongst the quiet fields. Feel the dew on this tomato leaf. It's a quiet connection to the earth under the moonlight.
Thank you for helping me with these. It's no problem at all. I'm happy to help. There's a comfort in the repetition. A quiet meditation in the movement of the yarn through my hands.
Room by room, the lights faded to black. Soon, the entire house was quiet, save for the soft glow of my lamp.
A gentle stretch helps ease the tiredness from hours of work. The day winds down softly.
The secret, I think, is letting the warmth embrace you completely. Like a gentle cloud washing away all your worries.
I stepped out of the bath, wrapping myself in the well-used towel. The cool air made me shiver, contrasting with the warmth of the water. It's a serene nighttime ritual. Changing into night clothes and pulling back the smooth sheets under the soft moonlight. The silver light holds me, safe within these walls. But even safety can feel cold when you're waiting for a warmth that won't come.